Hello, and welcome to today's SalesforceLabsDay Demo Jam. I'll be your host today. My name is Sharon Clardy, and I'm an evangelist for Salesforce Labs on the AppExchange team. You can follow along on Twitter with the hashtags AppDemoJam and SalesforceLabsDay to share your favorite solutions and hear from other community groups who are hosting these demo jams around the world. Today's participants are all part of the Salesforce Labs program, which are solutions created by employees and shared with Trailblazers on the AppExchange for free. Today you will hear from the creators of My V2 Mom, Closer, Optimizer, Batch Job Scheduler, and Tracker. Now, let's get into the rules. Each solution has 3 minutes to demo their app. No slides. And you, our amazing Trailblazers, will choose one winner for your group. And then we will announce a grand winner from across all of the Salesforce Labs Demo Jams who will receive an awesome Demo Jam trophy. Now let's look at some demos. First up is My V2 Mom. The My V2 Mom app enables leaders to drive alignment within their organization. Using this app, employees can view their leadership's vision and goals and set their own personal, professional goals to be aligned with that of their leaders. Take it away, My V2 Mom.
Hello and welcome to the quick overview of the My V2 Mom app. The V2 Mom is a goals and performance management framework that is at the core of Salesforce's success. This app is based on the principles of the V2 Mom framework. The CEO creates her or his V2 Mom at the start of a new fiscal year. This V2 Mom is visible to everyone in the company and gets cascaded down. Then, every employee can create their own V2 Mom in alignment with the corporate V2 Mom. With that, let's jump in to review the key features of the app. Once you have installed the app, navigate to the My V2 Mom tab. Here, you can create your own vision and values, or you can simply copy them from your manager. A vision defines what you want to do or achieve. Values are the principles and beliefs that will help you pursue your vision. Next, you add your first method, which is an action or a step to take to get the job done. After you've created multiple methods, you can prioritize these methods just using drag and drop. Now, you can add your first measure for the method that we just created. Measures are the results that you aim to achieve. Provide a measure name, select a target date, choose how you would like to track this measure, provide a target value, choose if you would like to split the value equally across all quarters, mention obstacles or comments if any, choose a priority, and done. Once saved, a measure card with a progress ring is created under the method. You can go back and edit the measure to update your current status against the target. For the measures which are split across quarters, the measure card also gives you the status of each quarter when you click on the View All Quarters button. The app allows you to copy a measure from anyone. Let's copy a measure from your manager's V2 Mom. Click on the manager's V2 Mom button, go to a measure that you'd like to copy, click on the options menu and click Copy to My V2 Mom. You can choose to add this measure to an existing method or create a new one. Let's choose an existing one for now. You will see the measure we copied added to a method that we chose. If at this stage you feel that you've included all your methods and measures required to achieve your vision, you can go ahead and click on the Publish button to publish your V2 Mom. As a manager, you can assign a measure to one or more of your direct reports. You can go to the measure that you would like to assign, click on the Options menu and click the Assign Measure option. Search and select the team members, and then you can divide the target value of the measure amongst the team members that you selected. The team members who are assigned a measure receive a notification. As a manager, you can also get a quick overview of the V2 Mom status of all your team members. Your team members are grouped by their titles. Those were a few key features of the My V2 Mom app that drive organizational alignment through transparency. Thank you.
That was awesome. Thank you, My V2 Mom team. If you're not familiar with the V2 Mom model, head on over to Trailhead and check out the Organizational Alignment module and gain a new badge. Alright, next up is Closer. Closer will help you make the most effective sales presentations and allow you to track the effectiveness of your materials using Salesforce. Let's see what you got, Closer.
Hi everyone, my name is Ryan McConnell and I'm going to introduce you to Closer. Closer is an app that helps organize and deliver custom-tailored sales presentations and also measure the impact of those presentations. So there's two parts to the app. One is a Salesforce app and the other is an iPad app. So Sugarfina is a high-end candy company. So let's say I'm a sales rep for Sugarfina and I'm planning a meeting with Lauren, who's a buyer at the department store Neiman Marcus. So inside of this app, I can drag and drop various different assets and categories that contain all of these different assets, things like videos, price sheets, coupons, that sort of thing, and get it just the way I want it. And then I'm able to share it with other people and then ultimately sync it to the mobile app that's on an iPad. So the iPad app looks like this. Here we are with Sugarfina. We have our different categories, and then we have, at each level of category, we have a different set of content. So I meet with Lauren, the buyer, and she says, okay, hold on, before we get started, can you tell me a little bit about Sugarfina's history? So fortunately, I can queue up this video, and we watch it, play through it. She gets the idea, great, and asks, hey, can you send me that later? So I mark it to be sent later, and then we dive right into chocolate. She was really interested in the chocolates. I'm able to show her our different variety of offerings, and she sees the pricing sheet. Oh, hey, could I see the pricing sheet? Sure, we can send that to her later too. The sea salt caramels really catches her eye, so we can drill into that, and I can present my sales pitch to her, and we've got our different form factors available here. She asks a question about sourcing on the chocolates, so again, we can dive into a video, watch as much of it as we like. The meeting wraps up, things have gone great. I mark that to send to her as well. Back in my car, I'm kind of doing a debrief with myself. So the first thing I'll do is associate the meeting with a record. So it was a meeting with Neiman Marcus, so I'll just search for Marcus here. And there's Lauren, and we can grab the opportunity from our Salesforce org, and we'll also associate it with the account. We hit save and go back, and we can send that off right from here. It's pre-filled an email for us. Great. My next move will be to go to our analytics summary. Here we'll rate our content. It's already associated with Lauren, and we hit sync. Now back inside the internal org, we can see what we've got on analytics. So here today, we've uploaded several of these 5-star ratings. We've got location, viewing duration, and the rating. And because it's Salesforce, you can do all the analytics that you're used to and really get some keen insights into how your selling is going. Thank you.
I love it. Thank you, Closer. Next up is Optimizer. Optimizer helps you improve features, clean up customizations, and reduce complexity. Get all of the recommendations you've come to rely on in the Optimizer PDF report, but with additional bells and whistles. Spend less time identifying next steps and tracking your progress, and more time improving your org's implementation. Let's hear it, Optimizer.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the Salesforce Optimizer Labs app. For those of you who know, Optimizer is a great tool to provide personalized recommendations for maintenance, adoption, productivity in the org. Until now, the Optimizer report was available in the PDF format, and as we all know, it's not fun scrolling through hundreds of pages of PDF to quickly get any insights about your full org. Well, we have great news. We recently released a Salesforce Labs app that provides the same great recommendations in a dashboard format. Download the app and access it from your app launcher. As in the PDF, the app offers helpful recommendations about organizing upkeep tasks, driving feature adoption, and increasing productivity throughout your org. However, the new app surfaces this information in an interactive format, making it easier to keep on top of your org maintenance. Start by reviewing the state of your org at a glance with the results summary. Sort through the feature metrics to zero in on areas that require immediate attention and are critical to the success of your org. Simply click on the feature name to see the full recommendations and the list of items. No more scrolling through the PDF report to find what needs to be updated. Need to make an update? Link to the relevant setup page makes quick work of resolving the issues. For some features, we even include the historical trending information, so you no longer have to keep track of progress outside of the report. If you ever need more context or step-by-step instructions, help topic videos and the Trailhead modules are just a click away. We encourage you to give Salesforce Optimizer app a try. We hope you'll enjoy this app and happy optimizing.
Optimizing makes me so happy. Thank you, Optimizer. Next up is Batch Job Scheduler. Batch Job Scheduler helps you manage batch job execution sequence and data dependencies. If you're using Batch Apex jobs to process large volumes of data, or you need to run some batch jobs only when another batch job finishes, then this solution can help you. Take it away, Batch Job Scheduler.
Hi, my name is Ian Huang, a Salesforce technical architect. Today I'm going to talk about Batch Job Scheduler app. At the era of IoT, the amount of data produced by various IT systems becomes massive. As a Salesforce admin, you have lots of data to be processed every day, and you rely on Salesforce batch jobs. The problem is that there's simply not enough time to finish all jobs overnight. Even worse, there are also data dependency issues. Some data needs to be processed first, but you have no way to control the batch job execution order. To avoid joining in the middle of a data ocean, you can make use of a Batch Job Scheduler, a free app from Salesforce Labs. So this is how a Batch Job Scheduler works. It actually it helps you actually reduce the total execution time, so you can run by running multiple jobs simultaneously. Also can manage the data dependencies. Now I'm going to show you how to set up a Batch Job Scheduler. You extend your Batch Job class from Batch Job base class, and only 2 lines of code. And next is to create the batch job schedule. We create an hourly job, so we give it a name, hourly jobs, and we pick the execution time and the number of hours for execution. 1 means the job will be running once an hour. Now we're going to add some jobs to the hourly job schedule. So since we already have created some testing batch job class, so we can just put it in. So the name of the class name must match exactly your batch job class name. So you can see we created 2 jobs with a batch group of 1 and the job for batch group 1, and now another job for batch group 2. Now we can see we have altogether created about 8 jobs. So go to the schedule configuration. You can see our job is there. So simply click on scheduled. Click on apply changes. See, the batch job is now being scheduled. This is how batch job scheduler works. Thank you.
I can't wait to get scheduling. Thank you, Batch Job Scheduler. Next up is Tracker. With Tracker, you can create a culture of continuous learning. Turbocharge how you onboard new employees, no matter their speed. Pacers, runners, or sprinters. Everyone gets covered. Okay, Tracker. Ready, set, go!
With the Salesforce job economy expected to grow to 3.3 million, there's an exciting opportunity to support the need for a frictionless onboarding process for a company's new recruits right out of Salesforce. Here to address that need is Tracker, a new hire onboarding application that can be run from your Salesforce instance. Using the tried and trusted Salesforce reporting and collaborative features, mentors can truly offer an engaging experience. For the mentees, Tracker offers a unique gamified, making the process of learning the ropes of their new job plain outright fun. Let's take a look at how Tracker facilitates a positive onboarding experience. It's day 1 at her new job. New employee Anne fires up her Tracker app. She is immediately greeted by a training path for her called a trail, assigned by her guide Robert. In order to complete her onboarding, she will have to successfully complete all the milestones assigned to her trail. She clicks on the first milestone to understand what she needs to do to complete it. On completing each milestone, she will receive a badge and a medal to compliment her efforts and keep her encouraged. On the right-hand side are the collaboration and support tools she will need to get through the trail. She can reach out to her mentor, add her vision and values for her career goals, and if she finds herself out of her depth, she can always use the first aid window to submit the issues she is facing to her colleagues, mentor, or any expert in the company. Now let's take a look at how Robert can see the progress of his mentees. Fast forward to day 10. Anne's guide Robert logs on to his Tracker app to check in on her progress. His screen shows him all the mentees currently being trained by him. He clicks on Anne's profile to see that she is actually ahead of her trail as per the plan. He can now go ahead and create a new trail for her to keep her engaged and to keep up with her learning speed, or assign her an already created trail. And finally, Robert can check up on all his mentees' progress via the dashboard to gain insights on the progress as well as to see if they need any extra support. And that, in a nutshell, is Tracker, a Q-branch way to onboard and engage your new workforce.
Thank you, Tracker, and all of the participants of the Salesforce Labs Day Demo Jam. Voting is now open, and your community group leader will share how your group is voting. We would love to hear which solution was your favorite and which community group you're part of. Connect with us on Twitter at Salesforce_Labs, Salesforce Labs Day, and App Demo Jam, and share your favorite solution. We hope you all had fun learning new lab solutions and helping us pick a grand winner for this Salesforce Labs Day Demo Jam. You can also find more apps at appdemojam.com. Until next time.